Hey guys, my name's Lau. I'm a 3D printing enthusiast. What? I'm checking out my first layer. Couple months ago, I saw people posting a screenshot online, showing that they got Bambulla printer for free. A free Bambulla printer. Who doesn't want it? After quick search, I found they got those gift cards from an online model platform called MakerWorld. Long story short, you upload a model, people downloading it, and you get points. Use those points to exchange gift card. And bingo, you got a free printer. Sounds easy, right? But it may not be as easy as you thought. Here's why. MakerWorld started initial beta test by inviting some famous designer online to upload their models. Unfortunately, I'm not one of them, who were like mid-age crisis, sitting bitch face, bald hair guy to represent their brand image. Not too long, MakerWorld started second stage of beta test. Now everyone could join and create an account. I mean, you can do it too. I'm not expert over 3D modeling, but I do have some design from the beginning. Luckily, I don't need to start from scratch. Well, if you are totally new to computer-aided design, there are a lot of software, it's free, and it's easy to learn. I imported some design from other platforms to test the water. By the following hour, I was checking on my computer every 5 minutes to see if there's a people downloading it. Not too long, I reached my first milestone, and I earned 40 points. That's a good starting. And it makes me wonder how far away from getting a printer for free. By doing quick math, a P1S with AMS plus taxes plus shipping, it's roughly $950 in the US. That means I need to exchange this $40 gift card 24 times. 24 times 490 points, it's roughly 11,760 points. I'm at 40 points. Pretty close. Well, maybe I should go back to do what I need to do. Along the way, I also find out that you could also upload printing file for someone else's design to earn points. I continue to upload my model with a new idea in there.
Thousand years later.
Finally, I have enough points for one P1S. I place order with all gift card and waiting for my new printer. Yay! That's a printer really for free? Not necessarily. If you think about the amount of time I'm spending on designing, running test print, editing and upload model, it seems like make a lot less sense to do it. Maybe I could use those time to do something else and just buy one. On the other hand, if you have a lot of time to kill, this is going to be an amazing opportunity. After uploading a model, you don't need to sit in front of a computer. The point just rolling by itself as the time goes by. It will earn points when you're eating, when you sleep, even when you go to the bathroom. After all, 3D printing is just a hobby for many people, including me. Spending more time with your loved one, it's more important than everything. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Good luck. Hey, you are thousands of miles away, somewhere on a plane. Are you doing well? Good morning and good evening, if you can see this. I hope you will see this. Boy and I will be waiting here. Love you.